Day I'm hustling, 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 hustling,
It's your
hustling,
boy
hustling,
Ski.
hustling, 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 hustling.
Oh, welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? Today we got ourselves a banger daily market news and analysis. What is up? And I just realized that TikTok has like a weird thing going on. They did an update. What's up? My screen looks like it's in RAW. Let me see if I can fix this real quick. You guys might just have a RAW. Kodak. I forget how to change that. Well, sorry guys. Yeah, I don't know how to fix it. Curl. Oh well. What's up, guys? I'll fix it for tomorrow. All right, welcome back to the Matrix. You're not just in the Matrix, you are the Matrix. How's it feel, Neo? And today we got ourselves a banger daily market news and analysis. TikTok did an update, of course. Says Subski, what's up, Web Dog? What's up, brother? Good intro, thanks, fam. How's everyone feeling out of 10? Let me know in the chat. We're gonna do a quick little. Is Sonic gonna fit the X from here? I think so. Here's what I can tell you for sure is I will be continuing to push Sonic. Not next week, not next month, not next year, but for a decade. Okay? I will be pushing, developing, grinding 10 years from now on Sonic still. That's what I know for sure. In fact, directly after this live stream, I'm going to finish building the spaceship. And you might be thinking that that's hyperbole. No, it's literally not. Literally, I am building a spaceship right now. And we're shooting a commercial tomorrow. So I gotta finish this spaceship. And the commercial is taking Sonic to Jupiter. And I'm an astronaut. Ski, what's your Doge prediction? $1. I think Doge is fine. It's gonna 5x, 10x, somewhere in between that range. I actually like the chart on Doge. It looks pretty good, in my opinion. It doesn't look too bad. Someone said, Ski, you are the truth, bro. Sonic, not only my newest hold, but my best hold. Almost 5x from now. And we're just getting started. Again, like, it's not going to be all sunshine and rainbows. It's not going to be up in a straight line. I'm never advocating for that. But what I am telling you is I will be pushing for this until I die. What do you think of BNB? I think BNB is solid. Says you're going to push Sonic until I'm pushing daisies. That's right. Cliff says 50x will put us at 250 million market cap. 5 million token burn will be worth 1.25. Did we get our daily body close? WMM chart. What do you think about Superverse? I don't really think so. I don't think that much about it. In a decade, we will measure Sonic in US dollar. Probably not. Probably Satoshis, to be honest. We will probably be. Says we did. Okay. All right. Well, I don't have my. I'm not gonna log in live because I'm not logged in right now. But if we did it, then I will do it live. I'll have everything ready for the next live stream. We'll do that live. We'll do that. We'll do the 5 million tokens burn live. All right, let's look at BNB. Let's take a look at Bitcoin, and then we'll look at your guys' coins, your questions, all that. So that's good. That's good that we did the 5 million market cap. If we did a 5 million daily close, cover the screen. We'll do it. We'll do it tomorrow. We'll make it an event. What's up, Ski? What's up, Cali XT? Hello, brother. I'm from London. It's 3:05 a.m. in the morning, and I always try my best to watch your streams. Brother, I appreciate that. All my streams are available on replay. You don't got to catch them all live. I'm going to try to do a better job of on the weekends, Saturday and Sunday, doing like earlier streams. That way, other people from different countries can tune in. I'm going to try to do a better job of that. Can I buy a house with Satoshis? You can. That is possible. All right. Right now, Bitcoin's sitting at $68,000 as of the time of recording. And here is what has happened. All right. Just a quick recap. Bitcoin prediction. 80,000. Thanks for the music play, Nick, and the lightning, bro. I appreciate you. Win rocket ship. So we're shooting the Solnic commercial tomorrow, which, like, this is going to be a quicker live stream because directly after this, I need to finish. Like, no joke, I have to finish the rocket ship. And you might be thinking that that's a joke, but I'm building a rocket ship for a film set. Okay, it's not a real rocket ship. Okay, but the structure is done. I need to put on like all the little gadgets and lights and all that stuff. But we're filming that tomorrow. Elon Ski. And the commercial is going to be me taking Solnic to Jupiter. It's going to be, we are the rocket, we are the fuel, we are the engineers. This is your captain speaking. Next stop to Jupiter. Let's go. And then it's just going to be the rocket taking off. It's going to be awesome. Solnic to Jupiter. Would you wait to get into alts until Bitcoin dominance starts to go down? It's too late by then, brother. It is too late by then. Listen, it is too late by then. Will the commercial have Michael Bay explosions? I can't give away everything. All right, so my prediction for Bitcoin is 138,000 by 2025, as high as 207,000. Now, I don't really think that Bitcoin is the play, other than if you're holding Bitcoin for 20 years. I think it's the play, right? I always buy, even right now, I don't think it's the play. I'm still buying Bitcoin every single week. Okay, I buy every single week, but that's for 20 years. Now, that being said, we have to pay attention to Bitcoin because Bitcoin gives us the keys to the castle to everything else. Okay? And what has happened with Bitcoin right now is we've been on a downtrend for 7+ months. In my opinion, we have clear signs of breaking out of this. So we had this parallel channel to the downside, followed by the parallel channel to the upside. In my opinion, clearly, we have broken out of the parallel channel to the downside and then back tested it. And this is also a rejection off of the upside parallel channel. But I do like that. It seems like we found support off a pretty strong bit of support here off of the top of this channel. Dips are for buying. That's right. I agree. I've been saying that for a while. He says, hi, I think Solnic will be like every empty promises. Great. Think that. The funny thing is, everything that I have promised, I have delivered. Period. Period. Let me know. I don't want you to buy. Don't buy. Please. Don't buy. But do me a favor and let me know of a sub $10 million market cap coin that has a chart that looks like that. On the weekly, this isn't the 15-minute, this isn't the 10-minute, this isn't the 30, this isn't the 1 hour. On the weekly, let me know of a chart like that. I'll buy it right now. I don't care what it is. Let me know of a chart like that. I'll buy it right now. Here's what has been promised. It has been promised that we will get on Coin Market Cap. Check. It has been promised that we will get on Coin Paprika. Check. It has been promised that we will get on CoinGecko. Check. It has been promised that we will create a Telegram. It has been promised that we will create NFTs to raise capital. Check, check. It has been promised that we will get on centralized exchanges. Check. It has been promised that I will never stop pushing this. It has been 8 months now, going on 9 months, creating higher highs, higher lows on the weekly. Check. It has been promised that I am going to go to film school and perfect my craft and make better content for Solnik. Tomorrow we shoot a commercial with about 4 to 5 other film students. Check. Everything that I've said that we are going to do, we have done it, or we are actively working on it. Period. Here's one thing that I can promise you. Not all meme coins are made equal. You might buy this, you might get a little taste of victory, and you're going to be high on euphoria. And you're going to think that every meme coin will do this. And will continue to grind. And will continue to make higher highs and higher lows. And continue to show up even when it is scary. Even when it is bloody. And that will set you up for failure. Because not all meme coins are created equally. Period. So, Mr. Roman, please, I don't want you to buy. Looks like a sell to me. Well, then sell it, bro. Please. The yearly chart. Look at the monthly chart, honestly. Show Solnik on the yearly chart. I don't think that there is. I don't even know how to do that on Dex Tools. Price prediction for Solnik realistically. Over the course of the bull run, by the end of the bull run, Solnik needs to reach $75 million market cap. Or I will shave my beard. That's my realistic low-end target. I trust Ski. He's always right. I'm not always right. I have a pretty good track record, though. Do you update your Twitter with content? Yeah, I do. Thanks for the W's. Thanks for the lightning. The W's. You savage. Says, why does the circulating supply have a warning sign plus 0? Because it's self-reported. They have not verified that on CoinGecko. We just got listed there. What was that, yesterday? 2 days ago? Link, $80. That's why. That's pretty realistic on the low end. Yeah, I'm not out here selling fairy dust and unicorns. You know what I mean? I'm not out here whispering sweet nothings to y'all. That's not what I'm here to do. if you remember, because here's the deal of the background and the foundation of how this even works, is because in 2022, when every single crypto creator and will the supply be verified? The supply is verified on Dex Tools. The supply is verified. I don't know if CoinGecko will or not, but it's verified on Dex Tools. It's verified on the blockchain. That's the cool part about the blockchain is you can verify stuff yourself. It's verified in the audit. But the reason that this works is because in 2022, when every other crypto creator was telling you that Bitcoin was going to 10K and 12K, literally every single crypto creator was saying it's going to 10K, bro. I promise. I was the only one, or one of the only ones, who was publicly bullish with stakes on the line. SoulScan don't lie. There you go, Matt. SoulScan does not lie. He and Solnick to the moon. Honestly, he's the only other sub 10 million. I don't even know if they're sub 10 million now. But I'm going to just say that they are for this argument. It's the only sub 20 million market cap. He and Solnick are the only ones that I feel comfortable putting my name on. I'm just starting with crypto. Suggestions, please. Great. I love that. Suggestions. If you're just starting in crypto, I would read... Excuse me, guys. I would read the Bitcoin Standard. It is a free audiobook on YouTube. All right? If you go to... Tube. If you go to YouTube and then you type in the Bitcoin Standard, this is a free audiobook. All right? I'm going to play a second of it or two for you just to show you.
Of a Bitcoin with money. The price was
There you go. Read that book. Okay? Read that book. Once you read this book, and I'll be happy to simplify it, but I still think if you're brand new, you should have a deep understanding, right? You may not have time to sit and read a book, but you do have time to brush your teeth. You do have time to drive to work. You do have time to whatever. I promise you, you can crank out 30 minutes a day, especially on 1.25. But once you... Thanks for subscribing, bro. Once you have read this book, you will then understand more about cryptocurrency, more about Bitcoin, than 99% of the rest of the world. Okay, that is step number one. Because knowledge is power. Okay? If your reasoning for buying cryptocurrency is money go up makes it good, that's not good enough. Because here's the deal. If money goes up makes it good, inevitably, when money goes down, like it's down 5, this is down 5% today. What's the biggest loser on the day? Jupiter, down 7% today. If money goes up makes it good, then money goes down makes it bad. That can't be the end of it for you. You have to understand, why is the money going to go up? What is fundamentally taking place here? What is the underlying technology that is perhaps the greatest shift in technology since the internet? And one could argue maybe even more than that. Can you show JLP on the 3-day chart? Is that a Dex Tools look? Per token, realistically? Well, 75 million puts you at 7.5 cents. That's my bare bones realistic target. My medium case is 1 billion, which would be $1 per coin. And my bull case is $5.89. All right, Mike, that would be step number 1 if you're brand new into crypto. Okay, step number 2, I would pick a few coins. Okay, I would read up on how to operate a hardware wallet. And maybe get you a Coinbase is probably the easiest for brand new people. Okay, I would find a few fundamental coins, including Bitcoin, and dollar cost average into them regardless of price. But step 1 is understand why. Do you think it's wise to sell TIA before the unlock? Yes, I do. I hold 9K XRP. I think XRP is solid. Some people hate it. Some people love it. I'm in between, actually. I think it's solid. I can't believe I'm not hearing people talk about Wormhole. Wormhole is cool. Fundamental coin is Solnic, outperforming everyone and everything. And we're going to keep going. All right, let's look up Dex Tools. What was it? JLP on the 3-day. JLP on the 3-day. Is this the right chart? Shiba. 10x from here, I think. A fake Calvin Hill just followed me. Thanks. Thanks for the give me the vote, Cali XT. Proppy. All right, what do you want me to see here, brother? Just looks like a straight line. There's not really a solid enough there's not enough variants of structure here to like really say anything. I mean, it looks like it's about to break out higher. I like it how this was just a big wick and it's like slowly grinding that out. That's a good sign. Buy more or take profits. I would honestly consider this no man's land. It's not a terrible place to de-risk. But if it gets above this wick, it's going to go into price discovery. About $4.15, as high as $6. If you were like overexposed, this isn't a bad place to take 20% or so. But this is not at a retracement. It's pretty much at a double top. Isn't that just Jupiter's? Yes, that's right. LCX, $1 to $2. Ponky, I think is 5 to 10x from here. If you were going to buy more of this, I would wait for if you got a pullback of like $3. Thanks for the roses, bro. Thanks for your 2 cents. Appreciate that. $6 to $8. Bull run, yes. Hee hee. 22 cents just on the next leg. Solnic to $1 by 2030. Yeah, I mean, for sure, by 2030. Could happen in 2025. All right, let me put it in perspective for you. So, $1 Solnic. What is the market cap on that? The market cap on $1 Solnic is $1 billion. All right. Let's look at some coins that are $1 billion. Or let's look at a coin that we know. So Shiba right now is $10 billion. And I believe Shiba will 5 to 10x from here. So I believe by the end of the bull market, Shiba will get to $50 billion market cap as high as $100 billion market cap. That's my sort of price target for Shiba. So I'm saying that Solnic can get to 1/10 of Shiba's current price, and perhaps 1/100th of their maximum price. Flux, $13 to $17. DNX a good buy right now? I haven't looked at DNX in a while. Let me see. I think it distributed. It wasn't showing a clear signal on that because it didn't go through a lot of like a full-on bull market. But I think that's what happened. Yes, I do think that DNX is a good buy. This is now... It wasn't clear to me at the time because it didn't really... It kind of just started over here. But this is now an accumulation in my opinion. So that would indicate that the next leg will take us to about $4 to $5. So yeah, I mean, we're looking at a 10, 12x just on the next leg. XRP memes taken off. Maybe we should bridge to XRP. Instead, we could take those 5 million coins and bridge them to XRP if you guys really want. Maybe we'll do a vote on that. Ring AI back to all-time high. All right, let's see. I feel sorry for those who've been waiting for Solnic pullback. Hey, take it easy. Yeah, I'm proud of you, bro, because you were here in the worst of it. And you stuck through, and now you're way in the green. And I like that, too, for you guys. A lot of you guys are getting a crash course on how the market works. Which is awesome. We can't match 5 million tokens with enough XRP. All right, Ring AI. I got 30K Solnic today. Let's go. Ring AI looks like it's accumulating. I don't know about the supply on this. I have my helmet on. That's good news, brother. You're going to need it. He says, damn, bro, you've been hitting the gym. You're looking swole. I always got my... I'm like a... Listen. I'm like a... I have a what's called a bear bod. Okay? It's kind of like a dad bod, but slightly more sexy. It's like a dad bod is just kind of like just kind of beta. But a bear bod is like... He works out. He can bench 315, but he also likes to drink beer and eat pizza. That's the build that I have. We would need 45K US dollars for a liquidity pool. That's a lot. All right, well, maybe 2.5 million. That's the build that I have. I got the bear bod. Remember when they had that thing going on between they choose the men or the bear. They were talking about me. When they chose the bear, it was me. Okay? I'm fluffy. I store fat for the winter. Strong. Yeah. They were talking about me, bro. When's Bitcoin going to break out? Before Christmas. Says, I purchased Sonic a week ago already. Good luck for your project, sir. Well, then you're in the green. What are you talking about, my brethren? If you purchased Sonic a week ago, I guarantee you're in the green. And you talk about empty promises. Like, what are you talking about, my brethren? What was a week ago? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what? About $3 million market cap? You've almost doubled your money. You've done approximately 40 years of stock market gains in 1 week. And you're talking about empty promises, my brethren in Christ. Come on. Have a little bit of perspective. Have a bigger time horizon than 1 week, please. Because that is not my time horizon. Is Super a solid project? I just look far away. Always other projects fail in time. That's correct. Look far away in Sonic, though. Here's the weekly chart. Look far away on Sonic. Here's where I took over. This is the weekly chart where I took over. 29th of January, 2024. Look, you're right. Not all meme coins are created equal. You're right. You are correct. Not all meme coins are created equal. But when in doubt, zoom it out on Sonic. That's what I would tell you. Mike, thanks for the dolphin, bro. I appreciate you.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Kronos. I like Kronos a lot. Actually, Kronos, low-key, is pretty slept on, in my opinion. It follows the chart that I'm looking for. And I've talked about this until I'm blue in the face, but I just look for this same setup over and over and over again. That's all I'm looking for, is this same setup. Kronos has it, okay? So I think Kronos is ready. And Kronos is reaccumulating within reaccumulating. Retracement is 50 cents. Parabolic is $2. Says selling, like why, bro? Says amen. Holding when C dipped hard, but believing in the project. Ski was the plan. Crow, yeah, we're just looking at Crow. $2 for Crow. That's my parabolic. 50 cents. Mike, did I give you your Savage? Thanks for the dolphin, bro.
But the cream will rise to the top. Oh, yeah.
Is Mana dead? Let's see. So I think the minimum price for Crow is the retracement, which is 50 cents. Everything that is not broken, aka a stupid amount of inflation, is going to retrace. That's 50 cents. That you could probably take that to the bank. But the parabolic is about $2. LCX $1 to $2. Do you think Casper will ever come back? Listen, brother, my brethren. I'm going to make a video about this. But listen, I never believed in Casper with a C. Never. Not one time. I promise you, on my mama. If you were following me back in 2023, 2022, the first time I was asked about Casper, this is exactly what happened. Okay? I typed in Casper. They said, what about Casper? Because this is what happened. It was being shilled by Crypto Mason and all these other influencers. And then everyone's like, oh my God, Casper's the next thing. I promise you, on my mama. People are like, yo boy Ski, what do you think about Casper? This is like early, like January of 23. I pulled up the chart just like this, and I said, what the hell is this chart? This is the worst looking chart I have ever seen. And then from that day, the very first time I was ever asked about it, I said, I have no interest in this chart. I have no interest in this coin because this chart is ferocious. That was January of 2023. It is still to this day making new lows. So to answer your question, I was never a believer. Never, not one time have I ever been a believer of Casper. But the reason why this is happening is because they're dumping supply non-stop, worse than Jerome Powell on your head. Excuse me. So to answer your question, do I think it's coming back? No, I don't. I never believed in it in the first place. If Sonic doesn't hit 50 million, you have to trade your Bitcoin for Filecoin. Damn it, Cliff! Don't you put that evil. By when, though? Alright, Mana. My bad, bro. I got distracted. Yeah, I never, not one time, believed in Casper. Never. I don't mind this chart, actually, bro. This chart actually looks pretty good. This looks like your spring right here. Excuse me. So this is your... I mean, this looks like Wyckoff. Pretty good. This could be your selling climax here. I would definitely count this as your selling climax. Secondary test in phase B. And this looks like your spring, which goes lower. I don't know what the inflation is like on Mana. Let's see. But the chart looks like it's forming something pretty good here. Cliff stirring. Cliff is always stirring. Why are you white? What is going on? Not you, Cliff. I'm talking about CoinMarketCap. Yeah, no. Mana looks solid to me. This chart looks ready. How is the Bitcoin and Sui short doing? They're both doing good. So I would say a minimum of retracement though, 280. So about a 10x, and then if it wants to go crazy, $8. $8. Bitcoin update, please. It's still the same. I like where we're at. It looks like a breakout of the downtrend and a back test, which is a pretty common move. So we've been in a downtrend for like 7 months, and we finally started having higher highs and higher lows. And it looks like we have broken out of that and back tested that, which is solid. My price prediction for Bitcoin in 2025 by the end of the year is $138,000. That's my medium case scenario. My bull case scenario is $207,000. The bet with Bitcoin for me and you guys is Bitcoin will minimum reach $80,000 by Christmas, or I will shave my beard and get a full body wax. When do we see the new commercial? We're filming it tomorrow. Technically, it's due in school by Thursday, so you could probably see it. Maybe we'll do an event, maybe like that Friday, Thursday or Friday, next Thursday or Friday. So less than a week, we'll say. XLM, $1. BlackRock has been buying Bitcoin like crazy. Do you think VeChain will have... Yes, I do. VeChain has the same setup as everything. It's boring, boring, boring until it's not. Boring, 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 boring until it's not. I can be the stuntman for the commercial. All right, I got you, bro. How was camping? Camping was great. I had a great time with my kids. It was a good reset for me. It was both tiring and refreshing at the same time. It was cool. It was good. How are you going to prove full body wax? Picture didn't count. All right, I'll show before and after of my chest. How about that? TA total market cap. Promise we just have to take your word on the full body wax. Please no, we take your word for it. Well, guys, it's not gonna happen. All right, that's the truth. Alex turned to go camping. They left with the family today. Yeah, mine was like more of a group thing. I think his is just him and his family. The beard stain. KV, thanks for the W's, you savage.
But the cream will rise to the top, oh yeah.
All right, David says, do you think H-bar makes a new all-time high? Not this bull market. No, I do not. Not this bull market. No, I don't. The reason why is because they've about tripled the inflation. So they've about tripled the supply. Now, long term, I actually think it's good for H-bar that most of the supply is already circulating. I think it's a good thing. But for this bull run, I think it's not going to perform as well as it could have. And I've talked about this a little. Damn. I've talked about this a little bit. But there's a few coins that are on my list that I'm going to be... I have my eye on H-bar to really make a play in the next bear market. Jasmine is probably on that list. Gala is probably on that list as well of like coins I don't think are going to perform as well as they could have this bull market, but I like it that most of their supply is already circulating, and I think they're going to have their day in the next bear market or the next bull market. Now, I've been told that Filecoin does have a maximum supply. If that's true, I would say Filecoin you could add to that list. But I haven't been able to confirm that, though. Beard is staying. Yeah. NCT. All right, guys. I gotta finish this spaceship. Okay, it's just a quick one today. I'll be back live tomorrow. I'll probably come live. I'm definitely going to be live on Sunday. I'll probably do Saturday as well. Just to make up for some lost time. But I got to finish this spaceship, okay? So, I film tomorrow, the commercial, and the spaceship is not done. So, I'm going to work in the wee hours of the night on that. I'm going to say it's either going to be Friday or Saturday. I will let you guys know in the Telegram when we're going to do the 5 million burn, because we did accomplish the goal. Sunday. We're only 12K from 80K. All right, guys. That's going to be it for this time. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch. I will never message any of you guys first. I appreciate you guys. Don't get scammed. Listen, I'm not gonna message you and ask you for money. I have nothing to sell you. If a your boy Ski slides into your DMs, it's not me. I have nothing to sell you. Don't get scammed. All right, I'm not gonna ask you for anything. I promise. I promise. I promise. I promise. I won't ask you for anything. That is somebody from Pakistan or Kakistan. It's not me. If you get an airdrop on your wallet that says redeem your tokens here, that's a scam. Do not redeem. Why are you redeeming? No. if you redeem, here's what's going to happen. You're going to give them access from your wallet to their wallet. And then all of your crypto that is on that wallet is going to get redeemed to their wallet. Don't redeem. I'm never going to ask you to redeem. I'm never going to ask you to buy anything. All right, guys, that's going to be it for this time. Peace, love, prosperity. God first. God bless. I'm out.
Damn hustling, 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 hustling,
Hit ya,
hustling,
boy.
hustling.